outdoors. Today we are in St. Petersburg, trying to see if we can catch some sheep's head. Right down here at this end is a dog park. See some dogs down there? And then on this side over there is Mary Pier. So we find out that this pier is closed due to some structural issue underneath the pier. So that kind of stinks. It's a nice looking spot though. Alright, Huffy. It's little, oh man, it's all bloody. Bonnet head, oh. Little baby bonnet. Alright, nice catch. We are back here at Sunset Park. We're gonna try to see if there's anything biting here. Oh, bomb. That was... We got ourselves a little mangrove snapper. We got ourselves a little baby trout. Damn. All right, Huffy, what do you get there? What is that? Rock bass. Yeah.
Tiny bass.
Nice. I missed it. A mangrove snapper. The sunset is about to happen.
Yeah, I have to. It's my birthday, so.
That is a beautiful sunset today. Getting nibbles. Oh, you stink. I almost had it. Oh, look at that. It took half of my shrimp away.
You know what?
Yeah.
I know.
Oblivion. Everybody's here checking out the sunset at Sunset Park. The sun is about to set. As soon as that thing goes down, we wrap it up. Today maybe make a little farm. What is that? That's a huge donkey. Say goodbye to the sun. There it goes, man. It's gone. That's gonna wrap it up for today. Not really catching day, but it has been a nice day and a good fishing day. So until our next adventure, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. Oh, look at that! It's a little whitey. Some sort of. That's a whiting.